Welcome to week 11 of English 5-6 vocabulary. Arcane, cumbersome, hardship, perpetual, static. Arcane. Arcane is an adjective. Adjectives describe nouns and pronouns that means mysterious or secret. Indiana Jones found the secret treasure inside an Arcane cave in previously uncharted territory. So remember, what kind of cave? An Arcane cave. Remember that adjectives describe nouns. They ask us which kind, which one, how many. What kind of cave? An Arcane cave, a mysterious or secret cave. Arcane. Cumbersome, another adjective, which means large or heavy and therefore difficult to carry or use. Let's read the first sentence. The 3 bowling balls Lucas brought to school made his backpack cumbersome. What kind of backpack? A cumbersome backpack, right? This word cumbersome is describing the backpack. It was large or heavy and therefore difficult to use or carry. The second definition, slow or complicated and therefore inefficient. So we know that inefficient means that it doesn't work very well. So let's take a look at the second sentence. Many members of Generation Z find letter writing to be cumbersome, so they prefer to send emails or text messages. So they believe it to be slow, complicated, and therefore inefficient. What kind of letter writing? Cumbersome letter writing. Remember, this word cumbersome is describing what kind of letter writing. Cumbersome. Hardship, it's a noun, person, place, or thing, and it means severe, suffering, or deprivation. The Great Depression saw unprecedented rates of financial hardship in the aftermath of the 1929 stock market crash. Okay, so notice that it's a noun, it's a person, place, or thing. The rates of financial hardship. So when people were experiencing severe suffering or deprivation. We might say that the coronavirus has brought hardship upon many Americans, as well as people across the world, due to the restrictions that the pandemic has proposed. Hardship. Perpetual is an adjective. Adjectives describe nouns and pronouns, and it means occurring repeatedly, so frequent as to seem endless or uninterrupted. Catherine became tired of the perpetual stomping from her upstairs neighbor in her apartment, so she decided to bang on her ceiling with a broom every time she heard it. So occurring repeatedly. So you might feel like this school year has been a perpetual state of work because it's just never ending, right? What kind of stomping? Perpetual stomping. It's the adjective that describes this noun. What kind of stomping? Perpetual stomping. Perpetual. Static, another adjective. It means lacking in movement, action, or change. So take a look at the image. Just whoop, all the same. This line is not changing. There's no action or no change, just constant or the same. Atticus Finch serves as a static character in To Kill a Mockingbird because his values and outlook remain consistent throughout the novel. What kind of character? A static character, meaning unchanging. Static. Okay, that wraps up vocab for this week.